All right, everybody, we're now gonna go for a ride in our 1991 Chevy Camaro. Very nice car we got here at Skyway Classics. Well, now a very clean white exterior paint with a gray cloth interior. As you can see, it's very mint, and it even has the RS embedded onto the seat. Got our original gauges here as they all work. Temperature, speedo, oil pressure. Got good AC and heat, working radio, and a very nice, very nice brakes. We'll demonstrate for you now. No leans, no issues, no hesitation. Another good feature about this car is it is a T-top, which you don't really see, especially in this year Camaro. And as I'm going up the road right now, you can open her up. She's real smooth. It even got that dual exhaust, but you know, in this year Camaro, you're not really looking for speed, but you're looking for comfort and class. And yeah, that's pretty much what we got here at Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.